Yo, what's haps guys, Nate Vlog here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're back to sit down videos, noodle reviews, using the old camera again, the Canon M50 Mark II. I'm used to the action camera, so going back to this is like, oh, whoa, how do I use this? Alright, anyways, so yeah, today we are trying Hello Kitty chicken noodle soup. So last time we tried Hello Kitty noodles were the sweet and spicy. Was it sweet and spicy? Hot and sour, something like that. Anyways, yeah, that's last time. So now we're actually trying, I guess you can say, the one you should start out with, just the normal chicken noodle soup. All right, so anyways, ready in 3 minutes. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is from the company Asha. All right, 2 ways of making this: boiling hot water and microwave. So of course we'll do it the original, boiling water. Let's get to the kitchen. So yeah, I gotta get used to working this camera again because it's been a while. Yeah, like I said, just been used to the action camera, wide body. Now I gotta do the focusing again. Ah, geez. All right, let's go kitchen. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There you go. Hello Kitty inside the cup. Yeah. All right. Start the boiling hot water. All right, waiting. Let's do it. Come on, hungry. Breakfast. Okay, ready to go. So let's open this up. Take out these. Oh, 3 packages. All right. Oh, and that's what the noodles look like. Oh, okay. So the seasoning, the veggies, oils. Where's the chicken? Huh? It says chicken, right? What's going on here? Yeah. Maybe this is the chicken. Okay. Next, the veggies. And last, the oil. Get it all in there, come on. I think there's garlic in there as well. Yeah, squeeze it. There we go. Okay. Let's not burn ourselves. Make sure this is open. Oh, geez. Here we go. Turn it right-handed to the line. Bam! Perfect! Okay. Let it sit for 3 minutes. Put this on. And guess what? More waiting. Alright. Ah. Jeez. Well, it's been 3 minutes. Let's go ahead, take this off. Open it up. Yeah. Look how the noodles plumped up. Let's not burn ourselves. Be careful. Oh, jeez. Take our chopsticks. Last step is to stir. Yeah. Make sure it's all mixed up together. Oh, steaming hot. Wow. All right. That should be good, right? Check that out. Whoa, noodle time. Oh, steaming. Let's go ahead and review it. Let's get it back. There we go. Review these. Ooh, oh, hella hot. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yo, Hello Kitty. All right. You know, flying back home, I was actually on EVA Air Hello Kitty plane. So there we go. How perfect is that, huh? Yeah. So hot. Oh. Noodles are tasty. That's some high quality noodles. Well, it should be, because I got this at Bond's for like $2 or something like that, almost $3, and that was on sale. Jeez, expensive noodles. All right, let's try again. There we go. Tasty. I like these type of noodles. Try the broth now. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Flavorful. Yeah. So total calories 300, sodium 810 milligrams. So yeah, this is pretty less, I gotta say. Protein 6 grams. Okay, okay. And there's no vitamins. Usually they have vitamins, right? I think so. But hey, protein. Wow. Sheesh. Ah, slippery noodles. Slippery. Well, it's that time. Sriracha. Ooh, spice things up a bit. So, let me just score this real fast. Without the sriracha, I would say 8 out of 10. Yeah, it's that good. Now, will sriracha help it or make it worse? Let's find out. Ooh, okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Sriracha time. Yeah, it sure spice things up. Damn. All right, breakfast. You know, I gotta say, with these noodles, it doesn't need the sriracha. Yeah. I mean, it's still good. These are tasty, so. Chicken flavored. Is there any veggies? Remember, we put the veggies in here. Oh, look, a little carrot. If I can grab it. Oh, all right, tiny little carrot. Crunchy. Where's my drink? Where's my drink? Ah, it's spicy. Yo, check it out. We got ourselves Red Bull. Yep, every day. And napkin. All right, bust this open, please. Mouth is on fire. Blueberry version. Oh, okay, back to noodles, back to noodles. Alright, let's try the broth with the sriracha. Ooh, yeah, that's spicy. Alright. Actually, now that it sits for a little bit, the combination of all those packets with the sriracha, flavorful. Oh, I was starting to cry now. Woo! Damn, I put a little too much sriracha in there. What a legendary breakfast. You got yourselves instant Hello Kitty noodles and Red Bull. I mean, come on now. Breakfast for the champs, right? Who else can do that? Yeah. I think it's turned into a spicy noodle challenge. Damn. All right, yeah, hey. We're good on this. Bye-bye. No. Get rid of that. Oh, whoa. Oh. Yeah, it's been a while since we did a noodle review, huh? I know you guys missed this, huh? Noodle Master Nate, we're back. We're back. We're home. South Bay. Huh? Whoa. All right, last gulp. Let's see if we can do it. Don't need that. Oh. Oh, there you go. All right. 8 out of 10. Highly recommend getting this if you're into instant noodles, if you need a snack. But yeah, all right. After this, gonna take my vitamins. Oh God. Yeah. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoy that. I sure did. That was delicious. And Like I said, Noodle Master Nate's home. We're back. Sit down videos. All right. First one. There you go. All right. Hey, oh, whoa, whoa. Is that PayPal? Hey, PayPal. Yeah, we sure need you. After that trip, huh? Geez, expensive. Gee, you need the new iPhone 17 Pro Max. And Venmo? Description down below. Thank you so much if you do want to support Nate Vlog, and I highly appreciate it. Alright, Red Bull. Adios. Look at that. Cute, huh? Who's this guy? Who's that? Who's that? Hello Kitty. Bye-bye.